My mind goes blank when I try to speak in English. One of my viewers has asked me this question in the comment section. Sir, when I try to speak in English, words do not come to my mind and I feel completely demotivated and devastated. So I decided from today onwards, I am gonna quit this language learning. So my dear friends, first of all, don't be panic. It's my personal guidance for you. I want to tell you my personal story so that you can feel a little bit motivated, and I am gonna come up with some amazing solutions that will immensely help you out from this tough situation. So first thing, English speaking for the non-native English speakers, it's a challenge. It's a really tough thing. But if you know the right way of learning, then believe me, it's like a piece of cake. Okay? So don't be panic from today onwards. Okay? I will guide you step by step. Firstly, let me tell you about my personal journey. When I was at my learning stage, that time I had a lot of feelings going inside, but when it came to expressing those thoughts and ideas, I would blank. Like, oh my god, I learned a lot of vocabularies, words, but when it came to speaking the exact word, I am unable to express. So I felt like frustrated. I can feel it, what you are going through. Okay, so don't worry. But I was that time very confident. I thought one thing, that I will never quit this learning journey. Because I know once you learn English, once you achieved your desired fluency, then everybody would appreciate your efforts. Everybody would feel like, oh my god, if he can do it, then I can definitely do it. So, my friend, first thing is courage. Don't feel that I am from village, I don't have any English speaking partner. When I try to speak, then nobody can correct me. So how can I analyze whether I am growing, whether I am improving or not? So from today onwards, mark my words. First thing, courage. Be courageous. Okay? Be daring. And if you tried and still your mind went blank, it means you are courageous enough. You are as daring as a lion. Okay? So don't feel demotivated. The second thing, what you can do when your mind goes blank, that time don't try to be over smart. You can directly accept it. Like when you are talking to someone else, then you can say, can you please tell me the exact word, what can I use here? Then he or she may guide you in the right way. So don't feel ashamed. It's a part and parcel of language learning, and everybody has to go through this because it is a universal problem. The third solution is that when your mind goes blank, then don't feel panic and frustrated. Just quit the conversation instantly and say bye bye. I will talk to you tomorrow. After that, just come to your home and sit calmly, take a glass of water and take a deep breath in and out. And after that, set a timer on your mobile camera, choosing any of your favorite topics as per your choice, and start speaking as spontaneously as you can, as I am speaking right now, without caring about grammatical mistakes, whether I am framing the right sentences or not. Don't care about that. And after that, you will realize your mind is not your enemy anymore. Your mind is your friend, and your mind will realize that, oh my god, he is very dangerous man. Once I will cheat him, once I will go blank from today onwards, then he will definitely treat me so hard. So I will support him from today onwards. So it is a mind treatment, mindset. Okay, this is called the courage. Never quit the situation. So my friends, I hope you understood what I said to you all. Okay, so from today onwards, apply this situation. Just be daring, and recording is enough. Or you may also use chat gpt for your support. You can also talk with chat gpt as you talk with your girlfriend, no problem at all. Just enjoy the conversation. The more you will practice, the better you will be in this. Okay, so I hope you understood what I have explained to you all. And if you want anything new from the next video, I will definitely upload. You can just comment me below that what are your problems. I will come up with that. Okay, so thank you, my friends. And if you are new here, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I don't usually say this, but I don't know why did I say today. Thank you.